integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So this is equal to integral 0 to 1 f of a minus x. Okay, instead of a we have 1, so we need to replace all the x by 1 minus x. So we will have 1 minus x into 1 minus this x, we need to replace it by 1 minus x all raised to n into dx. And this is equal to integral 0 to 1 minus x into, open that bracket, then 1 minus 1 plus x all raised to n dx. This is equal to integral 0 to 1 minus x into x raised to n, we will get x raised to n dx. Now I am going to open that bracket, that is integral 0 to 1 x raised to n into 1 x raised to n minus x into x raised to n, x into x raised to n, that we can write it as x raised to n plus 1 dx. Now we can integrate it directly, that is equal to the integral of x raised to n is x raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus integral of x raised to n plus 1 is x raised to n plus 1 plus 1. Okay, that is n plus 2 by n plus 2 from 0 to 1. Okay, if you substitute 0, you will get 0 only. So 1 divided by n plus 1 minus 1 divided by n plus 2. 1 divided by n plus 1 minus 1 divided by n plus 2. Just take LCM. So n plus 2 minus n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 into n plus 2. And this is equal to, if you open that bracket, n and minus n get cancelled. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 divided by n plus 1 into n plus 2. Okay, this is our answer. Now 8th question. 8th question. Integral 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x dx. Integral 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x dx. Okay, this is I. Now I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x. Thus we are going to use that same result, integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So instead of a, here we have pi by 4. So I am going to replace x by pi by 4 minus x. Okay, a minus x, pi by 4 minus x into dx. And this is equal to integral 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan of a minus b is tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a tan b. Okay, this is of the form tan of a minus b, and instead of that a we have pi by 4 and instead of b we have x. So tan of a minus b is tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a tan b. And this is equal to integral 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus, we know that the tan pi by 4 is 1. 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x dx, we will get 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x dx, we will get. Now just take the LCM inside that. Just take the LCM, then that is integral 0 to pi by 4. Integral 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x plus 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x into dx. And this is equal to integral 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus 1 2 plus tan x minus tan x get cancelled. So log of 2 divided by 1 plus tan x into dx. Log of 2 divided by 1 plus tan x into dx. Now I am going to use the result. Log a by b is equal to log a minus log b. Okay, log A by B is equal to log A minus log B. Then this integral become integral 0 to pi by 4 log 2 minus integral, okay, we will minus log 1 plus tan x dx, right? Now I am going to split this integral into 2. This is equal to integral 0 to pi by 4. Integral 0 to pi by 4 log 2 minus log 2 dx minus integral 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x dx. Alright, what is the second term? That second term is actually our question. Okay, second term is actually our question. Now we got I is equal to this one, and this is our question actually, and that we call it as I, right? We call that question as I. So we can write I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 4 log 2 dx minus I, because this is our question. Now just take this I into this side, then we will get 2I is equal to log 2 is a constant and the integral dx is x from 0 to pi by 4. This is equal to log 2 into pi by 4, we will get, this is 2I. Then what is the value of I? I is equal to pi by 8 log 2. So the value of the integral is pi by 8 log 2. Now I am going to do the 11th question. 11th question. Integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sine square x dx. Okay, here just look at the interval of integration. It is like minus a to a. Okay, the interval of integration is like minus a to a. So we can use that last result. Integral minus a to a f of x dx is equal to 2 into integral 0 to a f of x dx if f of minus x is equal to f of x. Otherwise that is 0. Okay. So if you want to use that property, we need to check f of minus x is equal to f of x, or f of minus x is equal to minus f of x we need to check. So what is our f of x here? The f of x is sine square x. F of x is equal to sine square x. Then f of minus x, it means sine square x we can write it as sine x all square, right? Now f of minus x means we need to replace x by minus x. That's all. F of minus x all square. And we know that sine of minus x is minus sine x. Sine of minus x is minus sine x all square. And if you take square, you will get sine square x only. Okay, what is the sine square x? That is our f of x. So we got f of minus x is equal to f of x. We got f of minus x is equal to f of x we got. That means this is an even function. So we can use that first subdivision, that is 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2. 2 into integral 0 to a. Okay. 0 to pi by 2 sine square x dx. Okay. Since we got f of minus x is equal to f of x, we can use that last property, and in that last property, if f of minus x is equal to f of x, we have this integral from minus a to a, that is become 2 into integral from 0 to a. Now I am going to give sine square x as 1 minus cos 2x by 2. We know that by using trigonometric result, the sine square x is 1 minus cos 2x by 2 dx. So this 2 and 2 get cancelled, and we will have integral 0 to pi by 2 1 minus cos 2x dx. Now we are going to integrate it. The integral of 1 is x and the integral of cos is sine 2x, and instead of x we have 2x. So we need to write the derivative in denominator, that is 2, and it is from 0 to pi by 2. Okay. Now just apply that upper limit and the lower limit, and we will get pi by 2 minus sine 2 into pi by 2 by 2 minus of 0. If you put x is equal to 0, this term becomes 0. And we know that sine 0 is 0, so that entire term is 0. And this is pi by 2. 2 get cancelled and we will have sine pi. Sine pi value is 0. So the answer is pi by 2. Integral 0 to a root x divided by root x plus root of a minus x dx. Integral 0 to a root x divided by root x plus root of a minus x. Let it be I, and I am going to use that property. Integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. That property I am going to use here. So I is equal to integral 0 to a root of a minus x divided by a minus x plus a minus x. Okay, I just replaced all the x by a minus x. And this we will get it as integral 0 to a root of a minus x divided by root of a minus x plus, if you open this bracket, a minus a becomes 0, minus minus become plus, root x dx. Put it as equation number 2 and just add equation number 1 and 2. Okay, this is equation number 1. Just add equation number 1 and 2. We will get in 2i is equal to integral 0 to a root x plus root of a minus x divided by root of a minus x plus root x dx. And this is equal to integral 0 to a dx, and it is equal to a. We will get then the value of I is equal to a by 2. 2i is equal to a. Then I is equal to a by 2. 18th question. Integral 0 to 4 mod x minus 1 dx. Integral 0 to 4 mod x minus 1 dx. So in this case also we have one modulus. So mod x is equal to x if x greater than or equal to 0, minus x if x less than 0. Okay, that's same splitting I'm going to give for mod x minus 1. That is x minus 1 if x minus 1 greater than or equal to 0, minus of x minus 1 if x minus 1 less than 0. I just replaced all the x by x minus 1. And thus we can rewrite as x minus 1 if, just take this minus 1 into the set, then x greater than or equal to 1, and minus of x minus 1 if x less than 1. Here the interval of integration is from 0 to 4. And we know that 1 is lies in between 0 and 4. So since here the splitting point is 1, we will split this integral at 1. This is equal to integral 0 to 1, and 0 to 1 means all the x are less than 1. Okay, all the x are less than 1. If x less than 1, we have minus of x plus 1 as our function. Plus integral 1 to 4 means all the x are greater than 1. So x minus 1 dx. Now this is equal to minus of x square by 2 plus x from 0 to 1 plus x square by 2 plus x from 1 to 4. X square, okay, it is minus of x minus 1, x minus 1. So x square minus x, and here also x square minus x, minus of x square by 2 minus x from 0 to 1, and x square by 2 minus x from 1 to 4. Now just substitute upper limit and the lower limit. Minus of 1 by 2 minus x, and if you substitute 0, you will get 0 only. So 1 by 2 minus 1 plus 4 square by 2 minus 4 minus 1 by 2 minus 1. Okay, and do this calculation, and after all the calculations you will get the answer as 5.